You know which vitamin is called vitamin B1? It's none other than thiamine. This is a water soluble vitamin and it is not stored in the body. So the optimum amount is retained and the remaining is excreted in the urine. So for centuries, the rice eating population have been suffering from the deficiency of this vitamin, and giving whole grains has cured the symptoms. This vitamin, in its coenzyme form, participates in the carbohydrate metabolism. It helps in the decarboxylation reactions where carbon dioxide has to be removed. Plays an active role in nerve function, synthesis of nerve transmitters like acetylcholine, regulates the nerve impulse transmission. Plays an important role in synthesizing the monosaccharides which are needed for DNA and RNA synthesis. Vitamin B1 or thiamine is found in most of the foods. Major contribution is from the whole grain cereals, cereal products, wheat germ, sunflower seeds, and yeast. It's also found in pork, mushrooms, liver, then peas, and legumes. Some of the foods contain thiamine antagonists, like some fish contain the enzyme called thiaminase, which inhibits the absorption of thiamine, but this is lost during cooking. Consumption of large amounts of tea and coffee and betel nuts also hinders the absorption of thiamine because of the presence of tannins and caffeine. 40 to 50% of thiamine is lost during the processing and the Indian cooking practices, destroyed with heat and addition of baking soda. The recommended amount of thiamine that is required by the body is depending upon the energy requirement. So the amount of thiamine is 0.5 milligrams per 1000 kilocalories of energy intake. The deficiency of thiamine causes a disorder called beriberi. Beriberi means I can't because it affects all the major systems like the cardiovascular system, nervous system, muscular system, and gastrointestinal system. There are two forms of beriberi, that is dry and wet. In dry beriberi, muscular system and nervous system is affected and there is no edema. In wet beriberi, cardiovascular system is involved with edema. The heart enlarges and leads to heart failure. Then there is infantile beriberi where the breastfed infants are affected where mother suffers from thiamine deficiency. Here also the infants suffer from heart failure and edema and generally it is fatal. Then cerebral beriberi is suffered by the alcoholics because alcoholics excrete more thiamine in the urine and decrease the absorption.